Okay, we're going to do another run of 0.9mm 304 stainless steel at 30,000 RPM being deposited onto aluminum oxide, 96% aluminum oxide, at a surface feed rate of 75mm per minute, and an XZ feed ratio of 80 with a plunge depth of 0.125mm and a total track length of 10mm. So with no further ado, here we go. I'm going to start the spindle and start the deposition. But it's a very thick deposit. I can feel it with my finger. It is definitely not continuous though. Okay, and it's time to swap the part, so let me do that and get back.